make sure you like, subscribe, and share. The pride depends on it.
News, life, and beyond. Still here, still repping it. No politics, but we out to get the presidents. If we talking about it, then you know we speaking relevance. Giving you the facts, that's the only way to represent Connecticut. You just gotta tap in, like, share, and subscribe. Steve J and Adam May, official, we going live. Just another episode, a visual for your eyes. News, life, and beyond, officially in its prime. News, life, and beyond. 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 News, life, and beyond.
Make sure you check out our new segment coming soon called What the F***. You don't want to miss it. Only on News, Life, and Beyond with Steve J and Adam A.
Oh shit, we'll do it the next time. 2014 Mercedes E350 oil change with an extractor. Don't even have to get under your car. Hook it up to the battery. Straight into the dipstick. Sucks it all through the extractor, right into the bucket. And you save $300. How does it feel to save $300?
Great.
Great. And this is your second time doing this oil change.
Yes, we're
all by
becoming
yourself.
pros. Yep.
How's it feel?
Great.
All about saving money, because what are we going to do with that money when you save it?
Spend it on vacation.
Yeah. Taping. All right, so got the extractor put away. We ran some water through it, cleaned it up pretty good. I'm gonna put the dipstick back in. Come show them the dipstick. Put the dipstick back in, close it up, pop this cover off so we can get to our air filter. There's the old trusty filter wrench. On it has an arrow to show you which direction to turn it to make it tight. So you want to turn it the opposite way. Just give it a couple turns till it loosens.
Yeah, because that's what I really need you for the oil change. If not, I'd be all set on my own probably.
Yeah, it's pretty tight. Want to make sure it's tight, right?
So it makes it more fun doing it with you.
That's what you need a man for, to make sure it's tight. Alright, you can do it with your hand once it loosens up. This is an important part of it, because you want to make sure that it's getting filtered properly. You got your filter. You can see, pull it out. You can see the difference between the old and the new one. Take that out of there.
Sure it just doesn't pop out? I think you just popped it out last time.
Not just popping out though.
Okay.
I wish it did just pop. Oh, there we go. That wasn't popping out. Alright, you see the inside. Probably want to clean it out.
That's right, it's down there.
Good to get up inside there and clean some of that old dirty grease out. That's another part. It's a man part because you got to get all greasy.
Yeah, and I don't want to get greasy.
Should probably use some gloves.
I was thinking that, but we were already dirty from the leaves and stuff.
You just popped a new one in. Alright.
Did you take the...
Oh.
You got to take the ring off.
What ring?
I don't know if it's already off. The one that's got to go. Plate that one on.
Oh, yeah, that's right here.
Yeah.
It's a gasket. Had to get up in there. Alright, we got some oil in here still. So we'll get that nice and greased up. Put that right back on. Alright. Push it all the way down. Get a nice seal. Alright. Get nice and greased up. And got some oil on this reach show down there. Got some old oil in there. I want to get in there with the towel and get all that old oil out of there too. Much of the old oil that we can get out, the better. Put it back in there. Tighten it back up. Make sure the seat's nice. Tighten as much as you can by hand. Get your little wrench. All right. Yeah. All right, so now for our last part. We'll clean up any oil we got around. It'll burn up on the engine, make it smell really nasty. Be a lot of smoke. That's not good. All right, put our cap back on. Snaps right back in. Now to add the oil. My wife looked it up. And it says it takes 6.9?
Yes.
6.9
Quarts.
quarts. Did you clean this out already?
Yes.
Now the fun part is trying to get all this in there without making a mess. Especially if we're an impatient person.
Like us. Do you want me to hold that for you?
I'm gonna put this around here just to catch any excess that might spill. Pour it in. All right, so we're all done. Everything's put back over here. Oil cap's put on. We wiped it down a little bit and got all the excess oil. We just got to cover this battery back up. As you can see, the fan is in there too. So for those of the people that are living in the woods, you know, you want to check that out and make sure there's no mice nests or any kind of rodents or anything in there. I'm going to cover this back up. Slides right back in there. on the side. I'll clip it in on that side. This side over here, I'll clip it in too. Make sure the seat's in there good. And we got this clip over here. And slide it down there. Slide it down, make sure it snaps in. This side popped off. We're gonna slap that back in too. Alright, this side pop back off. That's it. All done.
Yo, we got them shirts too. You guys want to buy a shirt? Hit up me at Stevie J.
Need to lie cause you wanna look cool, be authentic. If you ran the streets, tell the story how it really went. Because somebody like me might know how it really went.
Oh shit.